The IGP Kansas State University Introduction to Flour Milling short course is a great short course for many individuals closely related to the flour milling industry but not working directly in the flour mill. We get a lot of individuals from R&D, QA, HR, accounting, grain buyers, flour sales representatives, and everything in between. We get wheat breeders and individuals from the grain side as well. The course really focuses a lot on the general practices and processes that take place, so they get a good understanding of what types of wheat to use for what products. The participants really get to not only learn about but also experience and do hands-on exercises through the milling and baking process.